David, it's your first whitewater rafting trip. How do you feel? Nice. Here's my boat. Oh, Debbie! And our tranquil river.
Till the lion and duck our debts underneath soft sun to an icarus. Yeah, this will be a better year. This will be a better year. Oh, make a little money, take a lot of shit, feel real bad and get over it. Oh, this will be a better year. Oh, pushing boulders, I stay game till someone shake my shoulders. Oh, I keep feeling over, I stay game, stay game, stay game. The East Coast kids, man, we just don't know. Singing, wait, wait, stop, drop me, go, go, go. But I'm taking by the hand to a blue payphone. We can break blue laws with our skin and bones. And now I'm back in the city, I'm counting brick, brick, brick. Heard a milk crate king speaking soft and thick. He said if life gives you lemons, then thus God bade. So put a little bit of bitter in your pink lemonade. I'm sick of these sheep, I'm sick of all shepherds, sick of dressing like a human when I'm feeling like a leopard. I'm sick of slow rock, I'm sick of quick, quick, sick of holding on to nothing. I just wanna hold your head. This will be a better year. Yeah. This will be a better year. Oh, make a little money, do a lot of shit, feel real bad, and get over it. This will be a better year. Oh, pushing boulders, I stay game till someone shake my shoulders. Oh, feeling over, I stay game, stay game, stay game. Oh.
Paddle? Hang on for the boat! Oh, hang on!